You don't want to carry him?
Yeah. Era, take this. I hit him 30.
Sure. Sure, whenever, if you want those. Oh, they're going for Marcus.
I'm in a bush. Nobody knows where I am.
It's over here on this shack.
I'm here to torment people.
It's on hunting time or whatever that is.
They're literally right in there on that right
Yeah.
corner where the mark is.
Good it is. Dead.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Gas?
whoa.
Where?
Or is that hill?
I don't know. I'm trying to see.
There's one in the air going towards
There's a purple
gas.
tack right here.
Oh, hey,
Oh.
footsteps, footsteps. They went back up the
They're
hill.
right there.
There's
Wait,
more. My bad, I
Alright.
shot it. Up the hill to the left. On purple ping.
Wow, that.
My mouth is so dry. Hey,
Whoa!
we're getting sniped at right here. Hey, up the
What
hill.
the
I
fuck?
sniped him. I got you. I killed him. I killed him.
Okay,
I killed
I'm
him.
getting the fuck out of here.
He's down.